Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add take profit and stop loss on MetaTrader 4. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your MetaTrader 4 and we have two options to add the stop loss and the take profit. So the first one is you can add them before you place your order, and the second one is you can add them after you place your order. Okay, so let's start with the first one. So open your chart and choose your pair. For this one, we're gonna use GBP/USD. Now go and click on new order. And as you can see from here, you can place your order. So we have here the volume. So I will keep it on 0.1 lot. And we have here stop loss and we have here take profit. So for this example, I'm going to make a buy and I will make my take profit here to 30 and my stop loss, for example, here 1985. Okay, so let's add our stop loss first. As we said, 1985, 1985, like this. And our take profit will be here 230, like this. Now click on buy market. And as you can see here, this is our take profit and this is our stop loss. Okay, and this is our position, this one. As you can see, GBP/USD volume 0.1, this is the price, this is our stop loss, and this is our take profit. Okay, this is the current price and this is our profit. Okay, we have here minus 70. Okay, you can also change the take profit if you want. You can just click on it and drag it and place it wherever you want, like this. You can also do the same with the stop loss. Now let's add the second option. Now let's make a sell for this example. Click on sell. And as you can see here, this is our order, but we don't have the stop loss and the take profit. So all you have to do is click either here on stop loss or on take profit, the same thing. So click here and you can add your stop loss, for example, let's say for example here, because we made a sell in this example. So the stop loss will be 21.95, 21.95, and the take profit will be 1915, 1915, and click on modify. And now, as you can see, we've added the stop loss and the take profit. They are here. This is our stop loss, and this one is our take profit. Okay, and now we are 1.4 in profit. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.